Hey guys, this is your buddy Josh of Basic Value, and for today, I'm going to be teaching you how to create an apple catching game in Scratch in the fastest way possible. So basically, first you want to start preparing all your sprites. For the sake of this tutorial, I have used 3 apples, take out bag, and this backdrop right here. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to code these things for the catcher. All right, so when the green flag is clicked, you want it to go to this should be uh, 0. All right, this should be 0. And then you want to create a variable for all sprites. All right, make sure you have that clicked, all sprites. And you can call it score, points, or whatever. Now you have to also code these so that the bowl or the catcher moves. And then the code for apples is going to be this one. Now what you want to do is you want to just simply copy all of this on all sprites. And then once you hit the green flag, you're all set to do it. So basically, that's how easy it is in creating an apple catcher game. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.